Hello, this video shows how to use an analytical balance which has a precision to 0.000 grams. When using an analytical balance, you will record all the numbers on the display, which is good to 4 decimal places. The analytical balance has a pan that is covered by glass which has doors on both sides. When you are ready to use the balance, make sure the doors are closed and the balance has been zeroed. I will show you how to use the balance to measure the mass of a substance. So today we're going to be using an unknown substance. It's orangish red metal, unknown substance D. You do not measure directly on the pan of the balance, but you will use whey paper. Whey paper is flat, and so you want to fold it in half. Give it a nice crease. Open it up, fold it in half again, crease it again. And when you open it up, you can see right in the center there that a solid material will conjugate there. So, and if you don't want to use a whey paper, you can also use a whey boat, which is disposable. So to use a whey boat on the balance to measure our spherical material, open the door and place the whey boat on the pan. Make sure to close the door, and we are going to record the mass of the whey boat. The mass there has a little bit of uncertainty in the last digit, so you have to wait till it settles down. Sometimes you'll see a little star on the left appear. The mass here of the whey boat is 2.4001 grams. Record this in your notebook. Sometimes you would like to tear the mass, so we don't want the mass of the whey boat, and you can hit the red tear button and it will zero everything that's on the pan. So we will only be measuring the substance that is in the whey boat itself. To measure material without creating a mess everywhere, open both doors of the balance. And you're going to grab the material in one hand, your scoopula in the other hand, and you're going to use both one hand to hold the substance over the pan with the whey boat, and use a scoopula to scoop out the material into the whey boat itself. That way, if anything falls off the scoopula, it falls right onto the whey boat and does not create a mass everywhere. Close up your material. Before you record the mass, make sure you close both doors of the balance. Let it settle, and then you can record the mass of the material. Let it settle for a little bit, and we can see that it's 8.7830 grams. Oh, it changed to 4, so 8.7834 grams. Record that in your notebook, and when you're done, remove the whey boat with the material, close the door, and zero the balance for the next person. And that is how you use an analytical balance.